Okay, so hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Tyesha if you are new, and for all of my returning subscribers, what's up? Okay, so for today's video, I know y'all see my braids, and yes, I dyed my hair blonde. I have one more process to go, and then I'll be the ash blonde that I've been dying to be all my life. But anyways, for today's video, I wanted to come and do an unboxing video. I received hair from a company called Intense Beauty. The owner reached out to me and asked if I would do a review for my channel, and I said of course. So yeah, and I just got the package today, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys. Sorry if my voice is going in and out. Like, I literally maybe an hour ago got a sore throat, and now I feel like I'm getting sick. So after I do this, I'm going to get some medicine because I have things to do. I have makeup to do in the morning. I'm going to my friend's graduation, which is another reason why I am going to go ahead and get this hair done tonight, and I'll come back to you guys tomorrow and show you like the install part and all of that. So, ooh, this packaging is really nice. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. And it says Intense Beauty Luxury Virgin Hair Extensions. And then it has all of their social medias here. Let's get into it. I love this packaging though. It looks so cute. I love how like the gold on black, and then on the back there's a like pop of pink. Yes, I'm here for this color. Well, I'm here for these colors. Okay, let's see how I'm supposed to do. Oh, okay. I'm stupid. It slides out like this. Let's see what we got. Oh, y'all, this is really fancy, I must say. This is what it looks like on the inside. And I just want y'all to know, this is my very first time seeing this, like right now with y'all too. So it's on my excitement. But yeah, it comes with 2 black envelopes. It comes with an authenticity card. That's interesting. This is my very first time like getting one of these. It says our virgin hair is the highest quality available. The T says. And in here we have hair care instructions. So pretty much just tells you how to take care of your hair. And then there's the front part of this is for the top part of this is for the Intense Beauty Curl and Coil Crush, and the back is for like just all purpose hair care instructions, and I would definitely keep this so I know what I'm doing. And this is, oh, it says become a black card member. I got a black card, y'all. This is really fancy. This is just what I got. So I got 3 bundles of the Mamita Curl, and I got 3 bundles of 24, and then I got a lace, an 18-inch lace closure. Now this is pretty much what the hair looks like inside the packaging, and these are the 2 out of 3 bundles of the 24-inch. And this is the 18-inch lace closure. I'm gonna just open up one of the bundles right quick so you guys can see it. Ooh, this is fire. I love how it like curls, like the rings are at the end. I love this. Like up here it looks sort of wavy, and then you get down to the bottom and then boom sis, it's a ringlet. But yeah, I got 3 bundles, 3 of these, and it's the 24-inch. And this is the lace closure. Oh, and it came with baby hairs. I do want to say, I don't know if this is the box or like maybe it's just, oh, maybe it's just me because I feel like oil on my scalp, because I was about to say like something smells really good. But I think this just smells like regular hair, like what hair smells like. It doesn't have a corn chip smell, because I have definitely ordered hair before and there was a corn chip smell in my hair, which I told y'all that I think the last hair review, so y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is what the closure looks like. It's a 4x4 closure, and this is 18 inches of millimeter curl. Sis, get into her. Like, I don't think I'm being fun of me. She's not. Like, I think that's out. I may just put makeup and like tweeze it a bit, but as far as me bleaching the nose, sis, I don't think it's happening, okay? This looks fire. I cannot wait to make this wig and install it so y'all can see how freaking fire this hair looks. Y'all, I am like really freaking excited about doing this install right now. Like, I feel like this is gonna look so fire. I am so excited. But yeah, so like I said, I got 3 bundles of the 24-inch millimeter curl, and I got a matching closure in 18 inches. I'm still not decided between whether I'm gonna do a side part or a middle part. I got my hair kind of parted to the side, so I may just go ahead and do the side part. But as far as the pricing, let's see. The lace closure was $120, and the 24-inch bundle is $153. So yes, really fancy. We ended up ordering this on the 3rd. Yeah, the 3rd. We talked like on the 1st. Initially I had talked about getting the coil crush texture, but you let me know that like wasn't available or whatever. So we ended up doing the millimeter curl, and I feel like I love this just as much. Like, I'm just as excited about this as I was for the coil crush texture. But so yeah, what's today's date? Because I feel like that came out quick. Okay, so today is Thursday the 9th. So yeah, that worked out really good, because I'm gonna have this done just in time for me to go to graduation tomorrow. So, but anyways, stay tuned for the install portion of this video, and I will see you guys later. Okay, so this is the finished look. I finally finished the wig, y'all. This is like 5 days later, I believe, since I started working on this wig. I don't know if I can hear, but I've been sick, and my friend graduated over the weekend. I came back from Atlanta. I started on the hair Thursday night. While I was doing the hair, I started feeling really bad, so I ended up
I had to like just quit. So I stopped and I left and went and got some medicine or whatever. And I've just been feeling bad ever since. I didn't start feeling better until like Tuesday. So yeah, it's been a minute. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I finally finished it. This is what it all looks like in. I made sure I put all the hair in. This is all 3 bundles and the closure. I do have some left, and it's like these like 3 little pieces. I took a track out from the back to add to the top, because while I was making the wig, I was stacking it, and that was, yeah, it didn't come out too good. So I had to take some out from the back and put it onto the top. But try to get closer so y'all can see the closure. Don't judge me. I have not made a wig in like 5 ever at this point, so it probably looks, you know, not what y'all are used to, but it was very beginner friendly. I did record myself, well, majority of me making this wig, so I do plan on putting that video out too. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like. I didn't do anything to it. I did add some conditioner into it last night when I bleached the knots. I'm not sure if y'all can tell. I used 30 volume developer when I bleached the knots, and I left it on for like 20 minutes. It did not really take. I feel like I would probably have to do it again, but for now I feel like it looks really, really good. So yeah, I'm gonna just leave it at that. This is what the curl pattern looks like. All I put in it was like some water. Like I said before, I did wash it last night with some conditioner, after I washed out the bleach from me bleaching the knots, and all I did was add some Lada Body, like foaming, wrap mousse lotion, whatever you want to call it. I did add some of that and some water, and that's pretty much it. So this is the hair in its natural state, and I feel like I need to turn around. I didn't really get to the back, so I just turned around so you guys can see what the back of the hair looks like. And yeah, so this is where it comes to on me. So, and it's 24 inches, and I love it. I think it looks so good. I'm so proud of myself, y'all, because like I said, I have not made a wig in forever. So, and even like making this wig while being sick, and just like, girl, that was a mess in itself, but I feel like it turned out so good. I don't know if y'all can see, like the hair is kind of puffing up since I did not put anything into it except water, so I feel like that is playing a part into why it's puffing so much. But yeah, this is pretty much my initial review. I feel like it looks amazing. Like it went in amazing. Like making this wig was, I'm not gonna say so easy, because I was like hella rusty. As y'all can see, I done like pricked my thumb. It was a mess. So yeah. But again, this is the Intense Beauty. I'm gonna show y'all the box again, and I got 3 bundles of 24 and an 18-inch closure. So let me see if I can zoom out so y'all can see all of me. Yeah, and this is pretty much what it looks like. I love it. The hair is so freaking soft, and like, I love curly hair. Y'all know, if you know me in real life, if you know me on here, y'all know curly hair is my thing. I freaking love curly hair. So of course, when they hit me about doing a review, I was like, sign me up. So yeah, this is, like I said before, this is 3 bundles of the Mamita curl, and 24-inch and an 18-inch closure, well, 18-inch matching closure. And yeah, this is pretty much how it turned out. I love it. I'm in freaking love. It looks amazing. I'm so excited. I'm so glad they reached out to me about doing this video. Y'all, I was so freaking hyped to finally be doing like a sponsored video. So yeah, thank you guys again for sending over this hair. It is amazing. It looks freaking amazing and it feels so good. Right now it's kind of like it's a little rough because I did put that mousse in there and I didn't like dilute it, and I didn't really add enough water. So yeah, that's my fault, but I really feel like this is going to be my go-to summer hair. Y'all know curly hair is it for summer, so I'm ready. But anyways, like I said, thank you guys again for sending over this hair. It is amazing and I hope you guys go and pick it up. It's the hair. This is your summer hair right here, girl. Fire. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching and make sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. What are you doing? But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.